I've never seen them all together.
They're all sun.
I get my love of flowers from both of my parents.
More or less.
Can you turn it?
It's Saturday and we're gonna do some gardening.
Cooper, hey! So like a year and a half, 2 years ago, he saw a chipmunk run between one of these little slits in this rock. And ever since, he's just never been able to not be either right here or right there. Not really a garden tour because I don't know what any of these are called, but we're planting some new things in some of these pots, and as well as that pot from the plants that we bought yesterday. Oh, it's the same hummingbird feeder or bird feeder that my friends have. These are pretty. What are these called?
Rhododendron?
I don't know what any of these flowers are called. And those are like the ones we got yesterday. What plant?
Geranium?
Geranium?
Geranium.
Geranium. Are these the bleeding hearts?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Where are you going? Are you going back to your spot? Oh, come on. Just go somewhere else.
I think, oh, they're all sun except this.
I made this one just now. Potted this one and potted a little marigold friend here. Time to plant the daisy. It's warm outside. I have missed the weather here so much because it is about to absolutely hammer down with a thunderstorm, which is incredible because that's my favorite weather. I'm headed to dinner to meet a high school friend and I will be back later, but it will be pouring rain in that time. Rain has begun. I missed the radio. I don't need to drive in Vancouver. That's fair. That is a good point. But I do miss like the convenience of a car. You know? Why are my high beams on? Good Lord. Who did that? Hello, boy. There he goes again. You gonna start from the beginning? Here we go. Check. Oh, he stepped on a stick. That's what got him. Little bit of a flower tour. I haven't filmed much this entire weekend because we did the gardening yesterday that you saw, but I haven't really done much else. We got some more flowers. So I don't know what all of these are, but I know that they're very pretty, and I know I planted some of them yesterday. I know you saw me put this daisy down, and I feel like it's tilting, but I'm sure she'll be fine. Love these. They're apparently rhododendrons according to my dad, so they're all blooming. But they look like pine cones, don't they? Like, they're so cool. I get my love of flowers from both of my parents, like, fully. Planted that one yesterday. It looks like some of them are getting ready to bloom, these little ones. So that's really pretty. This is new from yesterday. This was not here. They're really pretty. I love a purple pink. So vibrant. Look at it. Oh, okay. What are you doing? While we're watching hockey and cooking, you're gonna stand down here? Got a frittata, and as if we haven't had enough Italian, we are making a Sunday sauce, literally. Happy Sunday. And hockey is on TV, so great day. Ready to go for a ride? You don't want to go in this time? Come on, now it's open. Yeah, come on, go. Here comes everybody. Oh wow, I don't think I've never seen them all together. Really? I've only received pictures of the party. Oh, hi, Coop. Oh, hi. Oh, your nails are short. So are his. And you.
Yeah.
So you're the loud one, right? This one's,
yes.
It's fine. Oh.
He's the barker.
He's the barker.
He is definitely the barker.
And she looks at us through the other window.
Oh.
You're all caught up here.
Something on his nose.
He does, because he was sniffing them. It's actually stuck in there.
Oh.
Oop, you got like burrs in your nose. Okay.
Okay.
No, sit.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Happy Monday vlog. So I've been cooking up a little, that's the toaster. I was cooking up some breakfast and I'm gonna watch some TV. My little Cooper has joined us. My parents are both working today, so I'm just hanging out, finding a movie time because we're gonna go watch Guardians, which is gonna be great. He's so cute. This morning after he went pee, I was still asleep and he came up all the way. He jumped back onto my bed because he sleeps on my bed, and he jumped all the way up and he went like, mwah, and then he just like disappeared and like slept at the foot of the bed for the next like hour until I fully woke up. Wanna go outside? We're going out this door because Daddy put the camera right there. There you go.
Pretty quick sometimes.
That's okay.
Yeah.
He's coming back.
Is he?
Did you get that picture?
They're twins. I was like, I don't have anything in my pouch.
Izzy, do you know how to catch? Sit. You know how to catch?
Do you?
Sit. Stay.
Master. He's a pro. She's a poodle?
Golden doodle.
Golden doodle, okay.
Yeah.
Sit.
So she gets very fluffy. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But it's summertime. She can't be too fluffy right now. Yeah, it's smart. We cut his hair a couple weeks ago. Where's my boy? Oh, wow. He is darting. Good boy. Oh, wow. Another one? And three for Cooper? 3? Good boy. We're going to the movies.
Still have cable when Hulu Plus Live TV has over 8.
Switch to Hulu
Oh, you
Plus
couldn't
Live.
see it?
So we watched Guardians 3. I sobbed a little bit in theater. It was very sad. It was like about 2.5 hours, so it was long, but there was like a whole slew of like 30 minutes worth of trailers before it. Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm so glad I watched it and was able to come home to you. Looking for the squeak? It's a little higher. Yeah. Good boy. What do we see?
If we make it to the turnaround, come back on the other side. We're down from where the boards are
You want to get down?
Yeah. Of course.
It's not open. It's not open. Can you turn it? Which way? That way. Thanks. Look at what they're about to do. Are they gonna go paddleboarding or kayaking or what? There's 2 people down there.
Isn't it closed? Or do you...
I don't know, because like the rapids would probably be a little bit nuts, right?
Like deadly nuts?
Yeah. It looks calm there. Behind there is bad. Because you hear the sound. It's so loud over there and dangerous. Yeah. So I don't have any other footage from the rest of today other than the s'mores that we made in our backyard. So enjoy some of these beautiful pictures of s'mores. This vlog was just so crazy because my friend that you see in these last couple clips here, I actually haven't seen her since she came to visit us back in 2019 in Vancouver. Really can't believe it's basically almost been 4 years. She and I basically talk on the phone once a month or every once in a while, so it really hasn't felt that long. So when we were looking back and realizing it was 2019, that was absolutely insane. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming up in these next few videos, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already.